Today is Thursday, May 26th, 2022, and here we have a connection diagram E2450. This is the latest version where we had to add a little current rectifier board from the approved version of the board because we couldn't get 100 to 1 CTs. We were limited by suppliers to 100 to 5, so we needed to rectify the 5 amps from the feedback, and essentially the rest is the same. Here is where the customer will bring in his transformer and center tap. The customer will also bring in the 415 to power the board, and we have the current command 0 to 10 volts, the polarity command positive to negative, and the soft enable, soft inhibit. We also have the field status from the PTIFL board here, and we have an over temperature switch. So the unit, and here we have our back-to-back SCRs, and here's where the customer will connect the field. It has a 200 amp fuses, and the burden resistor in here was sized for 80 amps, although it can handle 100 amps no problem. So here we have the unit. See the unit. What we're doing is we're coming in from our 480, going through a variac. Actually, we're coming from the 240, right?
Yeah, step up.
Yep, going to the variac. Then we're coming here to this is our particular transformer with a center tap, and we bring in the input here to our to this side of the unit where we have the fuses. Here's the 3 connections. Hard to see, but probably come here from the side, Tony. And here we have our customer inputs and outputs. We have the 0 to 10 command that's coming here from the power supply, and we have a couple of switches, the polarity command, and we also have soft inhibit, soft enable. Here we have the field status, and this is basically just monitoring an open or a close. And somewhere out here we have probably not connecting to 13 and 14, which is the over temperature switches that have been tested separately. So here's the unit, and we're ready to operate. The way we've done it is we've already increased our variac so that we get 415 volts AC coming in that the customer will do, and we can see that that's enough to power the board, and basically the unit is ready to go. Now, this is the end of this video that shows the overall setup of the unit: AC input, DC output, customer input output, and we have the current feedback across the burden resistor. That's for the feedback. The line voltage coming in. We have the DC output across the load. Right now the red LED tells us that the board is inhibited because sync high is at 0, or the current command is at 0. So this is the end of this first video.